vegetable moong dal dhokla. So the first thing that I did was switch on the gas and put some water on boil so that we can steam the dhokla later. I have the moong dal mixture, which I had soaked it overnight and I grinded it in the morning. The next thing I'm going to do is put masalas in the moong dal mixture. So we'll be adding salt, turmeric, chili powder, and some garlic. If you guys are cooking with me and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. We will be mixing everything well. Now I have a plate for which I'm going to put the mixture in and steam it. So the first thing is I'm going to oil the plate. And add the moong dal mixture. Once this is added, I'm going to top it up with some vegetables. I had some pre-cut vegetables ready. These are fresh vegetables. You can use the frozen ones also. So you can see that it looks something like this. And I'll put it for steaming. So while this is steaming, we will make the topping of peanut chutney for this. And we will also make another chutney that goes with this. So for peanut chutney, we will take handful of peanuts. Some salt. Chili powder. And some hing. Very little. We will grind this into powder. We will put it into a bowl and keep it aside.
So Deepal, just can you say all those ingredients which you added?
The next thing that we will do is you can use the same grinder and take some more peanuts. We will make peanut and dalia chutney that goes very well with this dhokla. So again, handful of peanuts. Handful of dalia. Salt. Sugar. And some water. And we will grind it into a paste. Like it will need some more water. And we'll grind it.
Excuse me, Deepal. Excuse me, Deepal.
Place it into a bowl. And
दीपल आप चटनी में चिल्ली पाउडर ऐड किया?
See, I made two different chutneys. The first one was
पेस्ट चाहिए. पेस्ट का कैसे?
No. The one with the paste is the chutney that will go with the dhokla, and it did not have any chili powder. I just added salt and sugar to it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Sure. And now I'm going to give tadka to this chutney which I have prepared paste of. Using butter for the paste, you can use any kind of oil or any I think this dhokla is also ready, so I'm going to switch off the gas. And I'm going to add mustard seeds. To this butter. And I'm going to add this to the paste, the chutney paste that I had created. And I'll mix it. So this chutney is ready. The next thing that we will look at is the dhokla. So as you guys can see, this is ready. I will cut it into square or rectangles as you like it. Put some oil. And once you put oil on this, this is the peanut chutney powder that we had created, and we will top it up with that as a topping. And we will let this cool down before we pull it off. You slowly try to pull it off so that the whole piece comes off. And we will serve it with the peanut dalia chutney that we made. I hope you can see it.
Bindu, can you, Deepal, yeah, I can see now, yeah. Thank you.
Perfect. I'm sorry I missed the initial question. If there is anything that you wanted to ask, please let me know.
Excuse me, Deepal, चटनी में कुछ भी मिर्ची नहीं डालना है?
I have not used any mirchi. This is supposed to be a little sweet tasting chutney because the dokla already has mirchi, red chili powder that was like I added in good quantity. So we don't want to add that to chutney also. So I did not.
लेकिन आप ग्राइंड किया तो उसमें क्या ऐड किया था? ढोकले के आटा में ग्राइंड किया है ना मूंग दाल, तो उसमें कुछ मसाला ऐड किया है?
Yes, in the beginning I added salt, lots of chili powder,
garlic,
yes. That's about it. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
I topped it up with vegetables.
Okay. Thank you so much, Deepal.
Sure.
Deepal, one question here. For the topping, right? Which veggies should we prefer? Or
I think anything that makes it look a little colorful. So I added peas, French beans, and carrots.
Okay, got you. Yeah, thank you.
Sure. Anything else?